The fifth strategy used by the media is that they say things about Islam which are correct, but the interpretation is wrong. They say Muslims are fundamentalists, and because Muslims are fundamentalists, today humanity is in problem. Muslims are extremists, because they're extremists, humanity is in problem. What is the meaning of the word fundamentalist? Fundamentalist by definition means a person who follows the fundamentals of one particular subject. For example, if a person wants to be a good mathematician, he should know, follow and practice the fundamentals of maths. Unless he is a fundamentalist in the field of maths, he cannot be a good mathematician. If a person wants to be a good scientist, he should know, follow and practice the fundamentals of science. Unless he is a fundamentalist in the field of science, he cannot be a good scientist. You can't paint all fundamentalists with the same brush that all are good or all are bad. Depending in which field the person is a fundamentalist, you have to label him accordingly.